the Sahara Desert, a name that evokes images of endless sand dunes and scorching heat. A vast ocean of sand, stretching as far as the eye can see. It stretches across North Africa, covering an area of approximately 9.2 million square kilometers. This is the largest hot desert on Earth, dwarfing other deserts in both size and scale. Temperatures soar during the day, often exceeding 50 degrees Celsius. The heat is relentless, with the sun beating down mercilessly on the sand. At night, the desert cools rapidly, with temperatures dropping to near freezing. The stark contrast between day and night is one of the many extremes of the Sahara. The Sahara is a place of extremes. There is little rainfall, with some areas receiving less than an inch of rain per year. The landscape is dry and barren, with little vegetation to be seen. Life here has adapted to harsh conditions. Plants and animals have evolved to survive in this unforgiving environment. Yet the Sahara is not devoid of life. Despite the harsh conditions, a surprising variety of flora and fauna can be found here. Animals like camels and fennec foxes have adapted to the extreme conditions. Camels, known as the ships of the desert, can go for days without water, while the fennec fox has large ears to dissipate heat. They have adapted to the lack of water, finding ways to survive in one of the driest places on Earth. Plants have also found ways to thrive. Many have deep root systems to tap into underground water sources, while others have adapted to store water in their leaves and stems. The Sahara, though harsh and unforgiving, is a testament to the resilience of life. The Sahara's story begins millions of years ago. Tectonic plates shifted, the African continent moved. This movement created mountains and valleys. Over time, erosion shaped the landscape. Wind and water carved out canyons. They created the sand dunes we see today. The Sahara was not always a desert. It has undergone dramatic transformations. The Sahara's geological history is a story of change. It is a story written in rock and sand. It sets the stage for the desert's evolution. The Sahara was once a very different place. Thousands of years ago, it was a lush paradise. This period is known as the African humid period. Increased rainfall transformed the region. Rivers flowed through the land. Vast lakes formed. This created a hospitable environment for plants and animals. Around 5,000 years ago, the climate began to change. Rainfall patterns shifted. The Sahara gradually dried out. This transformation was slow and gradual. Humans have also played a role in the Sahara story. Early humans lived in the Green Sahara. They hunted animals and gathered plants. As the climate became drier, humans adapted. They developed new ways of life. Some groups migrated to other regions, others stayed and became nomadic. Overgrazing by livestock may have contributed to desertification. This accelerated the process of land degradation. The Sahara's delicate balance was disrupted. Section 5. Shifting sands, shifting theories, recent scientific discoveries. Scientists continue to study the Sahara. They use advanced techniques to understand its past. Satellite imagery reveals ancient riverbeds. Climate models help us understand past changes. They also predict future trends. The Sahara is not a static environment. New discoveries challenge old assumptions. The Sahara's history is complex and multifaceted. It is a reminder that our planet is constantly changing. Section 6. Echoes of the past, ancient cave, paintings and the Sahara's lost ecosystems. The Sahara, a vast and seemingly endless desert, holds within its sands the secrets of a time long forgotten. This arid expanse, which stretches across North Africa, was not always the barren landscape we see today. The Sahara holds clues to its past. Hidden beneath its golden dunes and rocky plateaus are remnants of a lush, green world that once thrived here. These clues are not just in the form of fossils and geological formations, but also in the art left behind by ancient peoples. Ancient cave paintings tell a story. These artworks, etched and painted on the walls of caves and rock shelters, provide a vivid glimpse into the lives of those who once inhabited this region. They are more than just art, they are historical records. They depict a time when the Sahara was green. Imagine a landscape teeming with life, where rivers flowed and lakes shimmered under the sun. This was the Sahara thousands of years ago, a place where humans and animals coexisted in a verdant paradise. These paintings show us the animals that once lived there. Giraffes, elephants, and other wildlife roamed freely, their images immortalized in the rock art. These depictions are not just artistic expressions, but also serve as evidence of the rich biodiversity that once flourished in this now desolate region. They show us how humans interacted with their environment. The paintings illustrate scenes of hunting, gathering, and daily life, offering insights into the social and cultural practices of ancient communities. These interactions highlight a deep connection between humans and their surroundings. They are a window into a lost world. Each stroke and carving on the rock surfaces tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the ingenuity of early humans. These artworks are invaluable in understanding the history and evolution of human civilization in the Sahara. Fossils also provide evidence of past life. The bones and remains of ancient creatures preserved in the desert sands offer further proof of the Sahara's once thriving ecosystems. These fossils help scientists piece together the puzzle of the region's climatic and environmental changes over millennia. They tell us about the plants and animals that thrived in the Green Sahara. Fossilized plants and animals reveal a diverse and vibrant ecosystem, with species that have long since vanished from the region. These discoveries are crucial in reconstructing the Sahara's ecological history. The Sahara's history is written on its walls. The ancient cave paintings and fossils are not just relics of the past, they are narratives that speak to us across the ages. They remind us of a time when the Sahara was a land of abundance and life, a stark contrast to the desert we know today. Section 7. The Sahara's future: climate change and the potential for greening. The Sahara's future is uncertain. Climate change is affecting the entire planet. The Sahara is no exception. Some models predict increased rainfall in the Sahara. This could lead to a greening of the desert. However, other models predict increased aridity. The Sahara's future is intertwined with our own. Our actions will have consequences. It is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. Section 8. Lessons from the sand: the importance of understanding the Sahara's story. The Sahara's story is a reminder of the power of nature. It teaches us about the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. Understanding the Sahara's past helps us understand our present. It can guide us in making informed decisions about the future. The Sahara is a place of extremes. It is a place of resilience. It is a place that continues to fascinate and inspire. Section 9. Conclusion: the Sahara, a timeless landscape in constant flux. The Sahara Desert is a land of contrasts. Stretching over 9 million square kilometers, it is the largest hot desert in the world. Its vast expanse is characterized by endless sand dunes, rocky plateaus, and sparse vegetation. Yet beneath its harsh exterior lies a rich tapestry of life and history. The desert's extreme conditions have shaped the flora and fauna that call it home, creating a unique ecosystem that is both fragile and resilient. It is a place of both beauty and harshness. The Sahara's stunning landscapes, with their ever-shifting sands and dramatic rock formations, offer a visual feast for the eyes, but this beauty comes with a price. The desert's scorching temperatures and scarce water sources make survival a constant challenge for its inhabitants. Despite these challenges, the Sahara is home to a diverse array of plants and animals, each uniquely adapted to thrive in this unforgiving environment. It is a reminder that our planet is constantly changing. The Sahara's landscape is in a state of perpetual motion, with winds sculpting the sand into ever-changing patterns. This dynamic environment is a testament to the power of natural forces and the resilience of life. The desert's shifting sands and eroded rock formations tell a story of change and adaptation, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. The Sahara's transformation from a lush paradise to an arid desert is a story of geological, climatic, and human factors. Thousands of years ago, the Sahara was a verdant landscape, teeming with life. Rivers flowed through its valleys and lush vegetation covered its plains. But over time, changes in the Earth's climate and human activities have transformed this once fertile region into the arid desert we see today. This transformation is a stark reminder of the impact of climate change and the importance of sustainable practices. It is a story that continues to unfold today. The Sahara's landscape is still evolving, shaped by the forces of nature and human activity. Desertification, driven by climate change and unsustainable land use, continues to threaten the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem. But there is hope. Efforts to combat desertification and restore degraded lands are underway, offering a glimpse of a more sustainable future for the Sahara and its inhabitants. By understanding the Sahara's past, we can gain insights into the present and future of our planet. Archaeological discoveries and scientific research are shedding light on the Sahara's rich history and the factors that have shaped its evolution. These insights are crucial for developing strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change and protect the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. The Sahara, a timeless landscape, is in constant flux. Its ever-changing nature is a powerful reminder of the dynamic and interconnected systems that govern our planet. As we continue to study and understand this remarkable desert, we are reminded of the importance of preserving and protecting our natural world for future generations.